Hi everyone. Welcome to this update about posting programs with Fusion 360. Today, how you post out your NC code can be a different experience depending on which operating system you use. We're making some exciting changes to how you post out NC programs going forward. First off, you will notice that both the Post Process button and NC Programs button now provide the same consistent experience, and this is now also true for users with Macs. One of the new features to this unified dialog is the tighter integration to the cloud. The new Post to Fusion Team option now lives inside this dialog and allows you to not only post code as a regular NC program, but automatically upload that posted NC file to your Fusion team. Now, with its own revision control, ability to promote, and links to the reference document, it's easier than ever to stay up to date with the latest NC file, promote an earlier version, or share a link to the shop floor to download the NC file. With ever-increasing demand for accurate machine simulation, the new dialog also provides support for machine configurations to be specified. Here, the machine configuration file associated to your machine contains relevant kinematics such as access limits and home positions, whilst tying that into the relevant post for your machine helps to make sure that the exported NC file is as accurate as suitable for your machine as possible. And one last thing before you go. To enable all of this goodness, you'll need to access the feature flag located in the Preferences tab of Fusion 360 and select the Post Process with NC Program option. From me, cheers.